Hello my dear students. Welcome to my botany class of Standard 9. In the previous class, I have explained about the concept of biotechnology and tissue culture. In the previous class, we have also learned that in case of production and invention of high yielding species, tissue culture is really important. Now, I am going to talk about the importance of tissue culture. Number 1. From the plant in a short period of time, innumerable plantlets can be produced with the same characters, such as orchid plant in natural way. A limited number of plantlets are produced in a year. But by the technique of tissue culture, huge number of plantlets can be produced in a short period of time in a year. In this way, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, etc. earn every year crore of foreign currency by exporting orchid flowers. Number 2. Easily disease-free and especially free from virus plantlets can be produced. In this case, meristem culture is used. Usually, apical meristem, which is present in the tip of plant, remains free from virus and other pathogens. So, by culturing this apical meristem, it has been possible to produce disease-free varieties of several plants. In this way, viral disease-free potato tubers, tomato, bean, etc. are being created. Number 3. It can be free from the limitation of producing plantlets in the specific season and climate. As for example, jojoba oil is extracted from the seeds of the jojoba plant. This oil is used in cosmetic products and to run heavy engine like aeroplane and rocket, etc. The jojoba plant does not grow anywhere except in a special desert environment. That means it's grown Arizona, California. Through tissue culture, not only the reproduction of this plant has become possible, but also it has been changed to a level to adapt to the climate of India. Number 4. The attainment of plantlets of those plants which do not reproduce by seeds, and they can be speedily transferred in a short period of time in fresh condition. We know that banana plant does not reproduce by seed. So, by the tissue culture process, the high yielding plantlets of banana is produced. Number 5. As the facility of producing plantlets in a short period of time in a very conspicuous place, sufficient number of plantlets can be produced and the problem of storing of seeds can be avoided. Number 6. Tissue culture technology is well accredited for the production and conservation of the species about to be extinct. Actually, for the operate of heavy engine like aeroplane and rocket, etc., a kind of oil from sperm whale is required. This sperm whale is gradually becoming extinct. So, in an alternative way, that means by the technique of tissue culture, this oil is being produced. In this way, tissue culture process protects the species from the possibility of extinction. Now, number 7. The plants which do not produce endosperm can be developed directly by culturing their embryo. Now you think that what do you mean by endosperm? The endosperm is a tissue produced inside the seeds of most of the flowering plants after fertilization. It surrounds the embryo and provides nutrition for the development of embryo. Orchid seeds do not contain sufficient endosperm. So, lack of endosperm hinders the full development of embryo of the orchids. But many seedlings are easily produced by culturing the embryo of orchids on culture medium. Number 8. The rapid multiplication of the plants which do not reproduce through sexual reproduction or of which rate of natural reproduction is low can be done by culturing their embryo. Number 9. It is being used for the development of the plants of new characters. Number 10. In many countries, commercially the perfume is being produced from the suspension of jasminum by using this technology. In Bangladesh, much more successes have been made through tissue culture. It has become possible to produce the plantlets of different orchids, lily, gladiolus, etc. The disease-resistant and high-yielding plantlets of banana, wood apple, etc. have been produced by the process of tissue culture. I hope all of you understood the importance of tissue culture. If you face any problem, you have to contact with me. In the next class, I will explain about genetic engineering. Okay, thank you everyone.